Hello, Danielle here, and this video is all about medical symptoms vocabulary. So these are words to describe what you are feeling, common words. Now this is only a small amount of those words. I tried to put in this video some of the more common symptoms that people have. Now, I also want to stress that the purpose of this video is only to learn the words, the names of common medical symptoms, not to give medical suggestions or advice or tips or anything like that. So I will be giving you medical terms for symptoms, and then also using them in sentences. Our first term for today is sneeze. My allergies always make me sneeze. I sneeze around fresh flowers. In the USA, when someone sneezes, most people say, "God bless you." The next term is fever. The doctor said to take aspirin for a fever. The fever made me feel cold, even though I was hot. My mom put a cold, wet towel on my forehead to help the fever. Next term, insomnia. Insomnia is when you can't sleep or fall asleep. Insomnia may be a symptom of another illness or problem. After dealing with insomnia for weeks, she decided to see a doctor. Body part and pain. So if you are not sure what to call something that hurts, you can combine the name of the body part and the word pain. For example, neck pain, knee pain, back pain, etc. Headache. I had a headache last night. The headache got worse. The bright lights gave me a headache. Stomach ache. Sometimes the food you eat can cause a stomach ache. A stomach ache is pain in the stomach. The doctor prescribed special medicine for my stomach ache. Sore throat. If my throat feels scratchy, it usually means I will have a sore throat the next day. Hot tea and throat lozenges can make a sore throat feel better. Rash. After falling into poison ivy, the rash was itchy. Some rashes, like hives, can be painful. The medicine I put on the rash was cream. Cough. I have a cough. I've been coughing all night. I coughed after breathing cigarette smoke. Backache. Back pain is the same as backache. Lifting heavy objects carefully will cut down on the chance of having backache. Nausea and dizziness. Sometimes it feels like the room is spinning when I feel dizzy. Feeling nauseous sometimes makes me fear I may throw up. Nausea and dizziness made me cancel my plans with my friends. Vomiting. Vomiting is also called throwing up. A symptom of food poisoning is vomiting. We were worried when she had a fever and vomited. Fatigue. I have been feeling fatigued with little energy lately. Fatigue describes feeling tired. Having insomnia may lead to fatigue. Those are all the symptom terms that I have for today. Keep studying. As I said at the beginning of this video, this is just a few of the words. That's all I have. Ta-ta for now. Hey, thanks for watching.